Hey, check out my professional Wix site. Want your own? Go to Wix.com. When you're running an events business, your brand is everything. I have to make the right impression to attract those high-end clients. I love it. An event without photos? It's like it never happened. I had mine here. The quality's amazing. I also added testimonials here so my clients can speak for me. A personal touch goes a long way in my line of work. And Wix Video Maker is super cool. I make my own promo videos right here. I added some photos. Now I'll choose a design. This looks incredible. I can't wait to share this. So, I have a great looking site, but what's the point if no one comes to see it, right? I use these powerful SEO tools to get my site found on Google. Looks like I'm ready for business. Let's do this. Go to Wix.com and create your professional website today.